Let me show you some tips and tricks for the camera on the OnePlus 15R. So once we go to the camera over here, of course we can switch between different modes, but the photo and video mode also have these triangles, which indicates that we have smart scenes, which is pretty much like a preset for photos of, for example, stages, of silhouettes and fireworks. If you want to take a photography of these things, then you can of course use these smart scenes quite easily. In the photo mode here on the right side, we have this circle that allows you to adjust the light. We can use a standard soft light. You can also choose a misty light, glowy light or dreamy light, which might of course improve the quality of your photos if you choose correctly. If you're looking for a camera timer, then of course we can find it quite easily by tapping on these three lines in the upper right corner, and as you can see here we have 3 and 10 seconds of the camera timer. However, if you need more or maybe something in between, then in that case I can recommend you using the interval shooting. The interval shooting allows you to choose the interval, so how many seconds have to pass before the next photo is taken. It is used to take photos one by one every selected amount of seconds, and of course while it sets for example 5 or 10 shots or so on and so forth, we don't of course have to keep the camera enabled for that long. So if I want to, for example, use like a 5-second timer, I can set the interval to 5 seconds and then I can start it. There we go. Here at the top we can see how many photos have been taken, but in this case if I just want one photo, I can just wait 5 seconds and stop the timer. And there we go. So this is a pretty decent alternative for the camera timer in case you want other timer than 3 or 10 seconds. Now, what you can also do is, of course, we can go ahead and go to the more section in order to find some additional options, like for example the high res option, which allows you to capture 50 megapixel photos. I believe this is actually the only the only camera mode where we can use proper 50 megapixels. In the more section, we can also find the long exposure, which can be used, for example, to capture a photo of moving vehicles, so you can see those light trails. We can also capture a photo of water and clouds, and also we can do a light painting. Now, the next thing that I want to show you is in camera settings. In here, if we go to shooting methods, you can, for example, enable the show palm option, which allows you to take a photo without touching the screen. So if we switch, let's say, to the front camera, and if I show the hand and the hand is detected, then as you can see, we have the timer and we can take a photo after a couple of seconds. And one more tip that is actually related to the quality is, for example, in video mode over here, we can adjust the bitrate to high quality. Of course, photos will take more space, but the quality of the image on these videos will be increased, so you can make sure that your videos look even better. Also, we have smart suggestions, which allow you to get optimization suggestions in both photo and video modes. So if you need some tips to improve, for example, your photos before you take them, then these smart suggestions might do the work. And that is pretty much it. If there is anything that I missed that you think should have been mentioned in this video, then of course please let me know in the comments so other people can know about other additional features of the camera that are worth mentioning. Leave a like and subscribe.